Once again, welcome to Ambassador TV channel. It's another wonderful Monday morning, and on we are going in life. So this morning, Ambassador, I'm on your doorsteps once again with another lovely cryptocurrency tips and cryptocurrency mining app. And this morning is all about how we can mine this crypto and make it. How we can mine this crypto and make it. So quick one, CHY and its related issues also are still in the pipeline. So let's keep hope across that CHY will still come back with another wonderful news or some better solution for us, because still people are in hope that CHY will come back. Others are also pursuing their court cases as well. So this morning, let's put CHY aside later and let's talk about cryptocurrency this morning. Okay, so this is the app. This is called the mobile app. This is the mobile app. This app contains 5 mining cryptocurrency. It contains 5 listed cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency on this app, we are going to mine for free. So I'm going to guide you how to start mining this cryptocurrency for free, which all these things, all these links will be leave in the description form, including our WhatsApp and other stuff's link, all will be leave in the description section. Okay, so take note of that. Moreover, Ambassador TV channel with VAM Holding Group of Traders are also still on their pool. So if you want to join the pool, and you also can earn daily 1% of the pack that you choose, it's up to you to join Ambassador TV and their WhatsApp, and we are in our WhatsApp group, or contact VAM Holding Group of Traders also on their hotlines, and everything will be leave in the description column. The trading is going on smoothly. Everybody is taking his 1% daily. But note, withdrawals are made every 7 days or 14 days or 30 days, depending on what you like. So also take note of that. So Ambassador TV and VAM Holding Group of Traders pool is still intact. So make sure you join before it's late, okay? Because they have number of people they are expecting. When it is full up, they are not going to take anybody again. So that is just by the way. Let's continue to our mobile app where we can mine cryptocurrency for free. We are going to mine 5 genuine cryptocurrency which are already listed. Okay, they are already listed. So let's assume like the first one, like the ETN balance. Okay, the ETN balance is listed. So let's go straight up to CoinMarket. Okay, let's go to straight up to CoinMarket and check that. Let's check whether they are listed or whether they are genuine or what. And before we move on to how we can start mining with this cryptocurrency, okay, so straight up we are at CoinMarket now. Okay, CoinMarket now. So we'll go to the search button, let it come before. Let's do the research. So this is where if you want to find all cryptocurrency which are listed and trading in the market, when you come to CoinMarket or CoinGecko, you'll find all of these things there. So let's go to the search button here. Let's just click on that. Okay, let's just click on that and write the ETN crypto. Okay, so it will come. That is the first one. Okay, that is the first one. So the full name is that is the ETN crypto, and currently this crypto is trading at 0.01. okay, and this crypto is mining for free. It's mining for free. Okay, it's mining for free. So let's see the logo. Just watch it carefully. Just watch the logo. Let me calm down small for you to see. Watch the logo of this. Okay, logo, and just watch this one also is the same. So it's the same cryptocurrency. Okay, that is the NTN. Okay, there is the NTN balance is listed, and its related ones also are all listed there. So take note of that. So straight up, I'm going to guide you on how you can start mining this crypto. The registration and downloading this app is very easy. Just use your phone number or your email number. So I'll be leaving the description. I'll be leaving the link in the description column for you guys to also download this app. Okay, download the app so that you can also join this mobile mining app. Okay, so I'm opening the app. So let me also explain here small for you how if you want to withdraw, it's withdrawable. So this is the minimum. If you want to, you mine to this amount. Let's see, you mine ETN 1700 ETN, you can withdraw to the any wallet of your choice, whether Trust Wallet, whether MetaMask, or any related wallet that support these cryptocurrencies. And all these cryptocurrencies are supported by Trust Wallet and MetaMask. You can check that also as well. So okay, you can go to CoinMarket and cross-check their contract address and where they have been listed also. So because of time factor, I can't do that for you guys. I'm very sorry, but if you want me to do for you, just leave your comment in the description column for me, and I'll do that for you. Okay. So let's see. The next one is a beam, which you have 35 of beam. You are going to do what? Withdraw that one. So and the remaining one, 160, you can withdraw Aaron, and XVG 1300 you can withdraw, and RVN also 200 you can withdraw. So these are all free crypto you can mine and also make money. So as you can see, these are them. So when you download the app and registration is successful, when you open, it will open this way. It will not start mining, it will say collect. That is the word collect. So already you can see this one I've collected and start mining again. So let's go to the collect so that I can teach you how to do this. So you click on the collect. Okay, you click on the collect. It will come. Congratulations, thank you, collect Aaron, and coin has been added to your collection. So you just click on that. Okay, you click on that. When you click on that, it has been added. As you can see, payout. So it has added 0.08 to my balance. Okay, so if you want to start mining again so that your time will be reading these cryptocurrencies, or every 1 hour you have to come and do what I'm doing so that to continue mining for you. It's like the Bayo coin. Every 1 hour you have to come back and click on this and start mining for you. So what you do is you click on the start. Okay, click on the start. When you click on the start, it will tell you insufficient hash. So mean you don't have hash. It is hash rate you use to start mining, so you don't have hash. So just go down here where the dashboard is. You have the next, as you can see as the sign. Just from the dashboard, just move to the next column, which is this one. Just click there, the hash rate. Just click on that. Okay, click on that. So they will say no, just wait. I think this one I've started mining already. So let me go to where I am. This one. Okay, this one. So just click on this and then scroll here again, and then go to the third one. So it's a generate hash rate. So you just click on the generate. Okay, click on the generate. Your time has started reading. So when you go back to the third one I want to make, just click on it, the start, and pass you just start. Please wait, it will just do what? Start mining. Okay, so you have to generate hash rate for these cryptos before you can do what? Start mining the next season. Okay, so let's go to the third one, the XV Gym balance. That one, so let's click on the collect. So let's please wait. So let's click on it again. We are waiting. Okay, so now it will not start mining because you don't have hash rate. Okay, you click on it, it will tell you insufficient hash rate. So you don't have hash rate. So let's go straight up to where you will get hash rate. Just go straight up to this place, and again when you come here, they are still at the top already. This one is mining, this one is mining, this one is also. So this is the third one. So this is the third one that you have not generated. So just click on generate hash rate. You just click on the generate hash rate again, and that one, the time hash rate, they'll give you 1 hour. So you just go back and then go to that coin that you click on it, and you click on the start, and it will start reading again. Okay, so that's how this simple app is being used. Okay, and you can mine as many as you want. Okay, so just focus on your time, because already these cryptos are already selling, and you can mine as many as you can and focus, mine and withdraw, so that you can keep it for future. You can even withdraw currently for what you want to use for. So let's do the last one as well. That is the RV, and let's click on it. Okay, we are collecting first before you go and generate the hash rate. Okay, so already I've told you if you click on it, because you don't have hash rate, you can't do what? Start mining. So let's go and generate the hash rate. Let's push this one. this one too, I think I've not generated the beam, so let me generate it down so that when you go we can go and do it. So just when you push it, when you have generated, to show from the down here. This one also have generated. So let's go to the third, like the fifth one. Let's do what? Generate the hash rate for this one also as well. So let's go to the beam. This one, as I said, I have not start. So let me click on it. I generated for him already. So let's start mining this one also as well. And let's go to the last one. That is the last one, and you click on that also, and it will do what? Also start mining. So that is simple as the mobile app works. So mobile app contain 5 cryptocurrency in it. So one app with 5 cash. I name it one app with 5 cash. So just join this one app with 5 cash so that you also make cash on your own, and it is withdrawable. It is withdrawable. Take note of that. Keep on subscribing to Ambassador TV channel. Like the channel, share the channel to others. I say it's a community channel, so let's join hands together. Let's make it. Our training, everything is ongoing still. So just keep hope across our CHY Ambassador TV channel. We bring you a lot in cryptocurrency and its related issues as well. So please, let's do our possible best so that we keep on fighting for the best for ourselves, and moreover, keep the fire burning. As Ambassador TV channel, we have the best for you, and I tell you, the genuine place to be is Ambassador. We will be out for now, and we'll bring you more on related issues like this and CHY and it matter. So keep tuned to Ambassador TV channel, as we'll be out for this morning, and we'll come back again in another day or afternoon for another wonderful CHY topics or cryptocurrency related issues. Thank you. I'm out.